The Grand Canyon is a world-renowned showplace of geology. Grand Canyon's excellent display of layered rock is vital in unraveling the region's geological history. The basement rocks are 1.7 billion years old, and the supergroup rocks are 550 million years old, which was when there were great ice sheets across the area. The layers of the Grand Canyon are red because the rocks are packed full of iron. The sediments are made of salts and sands that have been washed off the land into coastal swamps and deltas. The rocks show that the early Pangaea was a watery place, and fossils reveal the kind of life that was around at this time. During Pangaea, the Grand Canyon would have just been miles and miles of sand dunes. We know from the Coconino layer that the Grand Canyon had become the western edge of a giant desert that spread across almost all of what is today the Americas, Africa, and Europe. One huge landmass meant that most of the land was distant from the sea, so rain-carrying winds couldn't reach the center. 250 million years ago, the Earth had become a desert planet.